Welcome back. Show yourself toys and travel fans. Today I am opening up a Color and Create Rainbow High Doll. It's also very new. So let's start opening her. Guys, look, she comes with markers over here. They're all the colors of the rainbow. And they're, so if you see in the pictures, they're for you can color up her hair, her outfit, her shoes, and even these shoes and outfit over here. And you need to wash it so it can go all over again, like if you want to do it again. Like, picture this, like if you did a look, but you want to do a different one, because you don't like how that looks on the shirt, put it in the water, take it out, and then it will just look white again so you can start all over again. I'll be right back when I unbox. Here she is all out. Here's all my beautiful colors, all colors of the rainbow, and here's all the other outfits out. Now, I'm ready to start decorating. First, I'm going to start with the hair. Start the first part a little red. Okay, I did the first part of her red, and I like that I started a little bit from over here because it looks like it's fading out a little. And I like that kind of little fade. Oh, plus, since I have the red already out, I'm going to start the shoes a little bit red. Really excited to put the sparkle on here. But just going to do sparkle all red. Okay, so I don't color great, okay? So don't judge me. Try my best. I'm going to go on to blue, pretty, and do the hair. And I have a little bit of blue stripes in her hair. Just a little bit. Get the red out for a heart. Let me think. I'm gonna write a K. And then I'm gonna write a L. And maybe a little line-ish. Look, guys, she has a rainbow hair on her pants leg. Alrighty. You guys like her outfit? In her hair, I tried to make like whitish, rainbowish in her hair. Alright, guys, I'm going to change her clothes and see if it can wash it off. So I'm going to take off this shirt and put on this shirt and see what will happen to it. I'm going to sit over here and watch and see what happens to the clothes. Ready to watch? It's coming off. I need to scrub it, I think. The water's turning blue. So it comes off very slowly, everybody. It's fading into like a kind of tealish bluish. But for my information about this, if the people who made this are watching, this might have been like a little bit of a bad idea to put it in water, because then it just starts getting wet and you need to wait for it to dry. Oh, guys, a little bit longer. I see a little bit of red left in the sparkle word. Alright, it's good enough. Oh, guys, it's good enough. Now it looks white, just like at the beginning. I'm going to put it in this trash thing just to get it off the table. And, guys, I really want you to focus on how the marker changed the color of the water. The water turned like very blue, like a tealish blue, like a see-through one. And then you just need to wait for it to dry. I'm going to let it dry right over here. Guys, I definitely recommend you getting this toy. It's very awesome and very good to play it with. Plus, you can like do it over and over again. So, I hope you like this video of me open my Color and Create Rainbow Hi, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.